Għexieren ta' immigranti li kienu qed jgħixu fi blokka ta' appartamenti f'Ħal Qormi diġà nħelsu kważi kollha wara li ġew arrestati waqt rejd li sar mill-pulizija. Net News żar il-post fejn seħħ ir-rejd fejn stajna nnutaw sfrakas sħiħ, bibien mifquwa u tkissir tant li jidher li anke l-pulizija stess spiċċaw feruti huma jifqgħu il-bibien. Net News tkellem ma' wieħed mill-immigranti li jurjena d-dokumenti li jiġdu li għandu permess jibqa' f'pajjiżna għal ġimgħa u nofs oħra. Jispjega li waqt li kien rieqed grupp ta' persuni li wara skopra li kienu pulizija daħlu fuqhom u jgħid li kissru kullimkien minkejja li m'offrewx reżistenza.
I was sleeping at home. Then I heard when they marched at the door. I don't even know they are police. They came with mufti, not with uniform. They were 3 in numbers, 2 men and a lady. She started hitting at me when I asked her, what is the problem? Who are you? Because you are not with police uniform. I need to know who you are by hitting the door. She told me I should keep quiet, is the police, that I should give her my document. I respectfully give her my document and my passport. Before I know what is happening, they started breaking the whole doors. The whole doors, every doors here, they started breaking at the doors. They make a call with the Turaya phone call. They make a call. They started breaking everywhere. The lady said I should keep quiet, that I should go back to my country. I said, you don't have right to tell me to go back to my country because I came here with my European document, which is Italy. Italy gave me my document. But when they were dragging me to the car, the lady started, because I have my crossing bag, she used my crossing bag to be hitting me. I asked her, what is the problem? What is really happening? If you don't want me to stay in your country, you tell me in an amicable way, not by hitting me.
Ħafna mill-immigranti jinsabu f'pajjiżna permess temporanju maħruġ mill-Italja li tihom id-dritt jgħixu f'Malta għal 3 xhur iżda mhux jaħdmu. F'uħud mill-każi dawk li tabbew fil-vetturi tal-pulizija wara r-rejd u ttieħdu lejn id-depow għal aktar investigazzjonijiet kellhom permess ikunu f'Malta. Tantu hekk li ftit tal-ħin wara r-rejd dawn reġgħu lura fl-appartamenti tagħhom. Sadattant jirriżulta li l-pulizija arrestaw 2 mill-immigranti li ppruvaw jaħarbu billi qabżu fuq il-bjut tal-ġirien.